Welcome to PC Error Detective, where we solve PC problems fast. In this video, we'll walk through how to log in as an administrator in Windows 10, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. Click on the search box on your taskbar and type Computer Management. Select it from the search results to open the Computer Management window. Step 2. In the Computer Management window, double-click on Local Users and Groups in the left sidebar. Then, double-click on Users to view the list of user accounts. Step 3. Locate and click on the Administrator account. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, uncheck the box next to Account is disabled. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Step 4. Right-click on the Administrator account again and select Set Password. Click Proceed in the warning dialog that appears. Step 5. Enter a new password for the Administrator account. Confirm it and click OK to set the new password. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.